Thank you, fam. Today we're doing an unboxing and an assembly on a pellet grill. I have some serious damage to this pellet grill, which is going to affect cooking on it. What we're gonna do, we're going to improvise. I'm sure Z Grills will make this right, no problem, because they're a great company. Oh hell yeah, go support Z Grills. But in the meantime, let's use some force. We're gonna we can beat the hell out of it with a rubber mallet, but I'm gonna try to bend it back. I mean, it can't get any worse, right? Some channel locks on there. The paint's already chipped anyway. I'm gonna pry that back in, so once you grip it, bend her in, it'll be okay. Now if I pry this up a little bit more, I think we're right there. Pry it up a little bit more, bend that in just a touch more, we're gonna assemble this guy, and I think we're good to go. Flip it upside down and you're gonna put your wheels on. The locking casters go in the back, and how to tell the front and the back is the two screw holes that are closer together, that's the front. So then you put the barrel on the body and screw that in with more B screws, 2 on each side. Slide your hopper into the hole. Pop your chimney on. Once you put your door in, the bottom will not press in, the top does. So that way you know how to set it up. Press the top down and then slide it in. It clicks right into place. Both sides, the magnet's already there. Close and you're done. Then you're gonna put the heat baffle in, put the heat grease drain pan in, and then your wire racks. Pop those in, put your grease bucket on the side, and then we're gonna be getting this thing lit up. So guys, I will catch you on the next cook. Actually, I will catch you on the next video for the burn-in. This went a little long, and we got it together. And I think I'm pretty pleasantly surprised with all that bending I did to get it back into shape, and it's definitely going to be functional. I turned it on, it already works. Now let's make sure we can do this burn-in, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next one. Hell yeah, guys, smash up the thumbs.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
I don't know. Might need to get my 4-year-old daughter out here to show me how to do it. I might get lucky. Got another 2 or 3 more rehydrations. Oh hell yeah, let's get this done.